Hello and welcome to this GCSE mathematics lesson. Today we're going to be looking at tree diagrams. The probability of David missing a penalty is 0.2. David takes 2 penalties. Find the probability that David scores only one of the 2 penalties. So we draw a sketch of a tree diagram and we mark on the probabilities. He could miss the first penalty, or he could score the first penalty. If he misses the first penalty, he could miss the second penalty, or if he misses the first penalty, he could score the second penalty. If he scores the first penalty, he can miss the second penalty, or if he scores the first penalty, he could then score the second penalty. So this is your options. He could miss, score, score, miss, or score, score. So there are your 4 different options which could happen in this scenario. So let's have a look at the first option. Miss a penalty and miss a penalty. So what we should do is we should label the probabilities on the branches. So we've got the probability of him missing a penalty is 0.2, and we got that from the question. So the probability of him missing a penalty is 0.2. The probability of him scoring the penalty then must be 0.8, because probabilities add up to 1. Now, we then mark on the second penalty. So these are independent events. It doesn't say it's affected by anything. So him missing the second penalty would be 0.2. Scoring the second penalty would be 0.8. Missing the second penalty would be 0.2. And scoring the second penalty would be 0.8. Now, if I want to find the option of the probability of a miss and a miss, what we do is, as you know, miss and a miss, you multiply the 2 probabilities together. So 0.2 times 0.2 would be 0.04. A miss and a score, well, 0.2 times 0.8 would be 0.16. A score and a miss would be 0.8 times 0.2. 0.8 times 0.2 equals 0.16. And the probability of David scoring both penalties would be 0.8 times 0.8, which would be 0.64. So there we've got all the probability, the options, or the probability for all the options. So miss, 0.04, miss, score, 0.16, score, miss, 0.16, and score, 0.64. Now the question said, find the probability of David scoring 1 penalty. So we've got 2 options here for that. We've got the miss and the score, and we've got the score and the miss. So it's this option or this option. As you've seen from the previous lesson, the probability of event A or event B is probability of A plus probability of B. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these 2 probabilities together, 0.16 plus 0.16. 0.16 plus 0.16 equals 0.32.